Hi everyone, this is Louisa, the Eat Right Chef. Welcome to my series on the myths surrounding healthy eating. This is episode 3. In the last 2 episodes, I talked about the myth that healthy eating is very expensive and unaffordable. And I've given you some tips on how to save money while eating healthy. And in this episode, I'm going to talk about the myth that cooking for health is very tricky, difficult, and time-consuming. There are 3 main misconceptions that lead people to think that cooking is difficult. The first one is that you are either a good cook or not. In other words, some people believe that you have to be born with a gift for cooking. The truth is, nobody is born knowing how to cook. Patience and practice are key. Even if you are a big cook, a big chef, you still keep on learning every day. James Beard, a cookbook author and a master teacher of the American cuisine, once said, "When you cook, you never stop learning. That's the fascination of it." Cooking is actually a journey, and no matter where you are on this journey, there's always something new to learn. So don't wait until you know everything before you jump in. The second misconception is that you need to go to culinary school in order to cook well. No, you don't. We're talking about home cooking here, and you don't need a degree for that. Did Grandma ever graduate from culinary school, le cordon bleu? The third misconception is that there is only one way of cooking a certain dish correctly. My philosophy is that whatever works. Having said that, of course, there are certain ways to approach a certain dish that is more efficient or time-saving, and there's nothing wrong with that. And it would be nice to learn those specific techniques. However, for the most part, cooking is like creating an artwork. It's all up to your interpretation. In fact, what are recipes? A recipe is just how one person approach cooking a certain dish, and anybody can change it, either the ingredients or the method. And if you are following a specific diet for health reasons, for example, the blood type diet, it's very important for you to be able to substitute the ingredients to support your health. And to do this, you will be using a lot of creativity and flexibility. Besides those 3 misconceptions that lead people to think that cooking is difficult, there is one more thing that is stopping some from cooking, and that is some people think that cooking healthy dishes is extremely time-consuming. Well, in the next episode, I'm going to share with you some hacks that you can use in your kitchen in order to save time while still cooking healthy dishes. So stay tuned, and if you haven't liked this page, make sure you click like, or better still, join my private Facebook community so that you can be sure to get notifications when I post my next video. Okay, so I look forward to sharing my tips with you next time. Bye!